The elite does not want you to know this. With this incense, you can relax, calm stress, and enjoy a pleasant aroma. To begin, we will take 2 fresh oranges. With a sharp knife, we will cut one of the oranges through one of its heads. Then, with a spoon, we will carefully separate the inside of the fruit from the peel, making sure not to break the peel. We will support the fruit and repeat the process by cutting and emptying the other orange head. Then, we will completely remove the inside of the fruit. We will use one of the orange heads and place it inside the empty peel until it is firmly supported. We will repeat the same procedure with the other orange. It is important to note that the orange peel has beneficial properties. It reduces stomach acidity, relieves digestive problems, and contributes to weight loss. Next, we will take a small plastic wrap and place naphthalene inside the cover. With the help of a hammer, we will crush the naphthalene that is inside the plastic wrap until it is completely crushed. This process is crucial to release the aromatic compounds of naphthalene, which will contribute to the fragrance of the incense. After this step, we will pour a tablespoon of brown carbon into each of the empty oranges. We will also add a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate into each orange. Sodium bicarbonate helps to balance the pH. We will finish filling the oranges with more brown carbon to ensure uniform and prolonged combustion. The next step is to take the naphthalene from a candle and place it in the center of each of the full oranges. Make sure the naphthalene is well centered and firmly placed for proper combustion. Around the candle, we will place sweet cloves. Sweet cloves not only add a spicy and warm aroma, but also have antiseptic and relaxing properties. Once this process is completed in both oranges, your homemade incense will be ready. In just 3 minutes, you will have created an incense that will help you relax the nervous system and improve concentration. Light the candle and enjoy the relaxing atmosphere created. This incense is an excellent natural alternative to improve your overall well-being and create a conducive environment for relaxation and concentration.